Hi guys, this is a review for the topic that we saw in class about the schwa sound. First of all, the schwa sound is the most common vowel sound in English. You have a neutral mouth position. It can be spelled with any vowel letter. It only appears in unstressed syllables. It is considered the lazy sound. How do we identify an unstressed syllable? You put your hand under your chin, say the word, for example, lemon. Identify in which syllable your chin felt the most and in which it felt the less. The syllable where your chin felt the less is the unstressed syllable. So let's go back to the example. Lemon, lemon, lemon. You can see where your chin felt the most. Lemon, lemon. You see le-man. So le is the unstressed syllable. What happens when we make the schwa sound? The lips are relaxed, not rounded. The jaw is roughly halfway open and the tongue is flat. Some examples with the schwa sound: about, China, family, substitute. Again, about, China, China. As you can see, you barely pronounce it. It's like an like kind of like a release of air. Family, substitute, about, China, China. Like you barely make any sound. These are our references. You can check them if you want to. If you have any questions, you can always come to me and I can help you with it. After this video, you're going to have to answer 3 exercises from the links that we will provide for you. Okay, you have to answer those exercises. They are very short, very easy. If you have any questions, you can come to me. Lastly, thank you so much for your attention. I hope you watch this video, and if you have any doubts, you can always come to us. And I hope you do the review, do your homework, because this will help you to become better at English. Thank you so much. We'll see you in class.